Hi, my name is Ian Petrie, and today I'm going to show you how to open and shut and put away one of these pop-up backdrops, if you will. Now this one is from Life of Photography, and we'll see how it gets on. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to actually jump in and give you a little overview of the sort of work that I can do on my portraiture style work. These are all taken inside of either my home or clients' homes, and it's just using creative lighting in various ways in different size rooms. Okay, so we'll come back to how to take this out, how to open it, how to put it away in a short few moments. See you in a minute. Welcome back. Hopefully you liked some of the previews I just shown you there. Now let's jump to today's lesson of how to open a pop-up backdrop and put it away. So, we're teaching you to suck eggs. You just unzip it, put that somewhere over there. So you've got a black and you've got a white side. And to open it is really simple. It's as simple as that. Now, to put it away, there's a little bit of a trick. What you do is put your foot at the bottom on the actual bar you've got. You grab one arm this up here, one arm up here, and you literally just twist it like that. Pull it down. It's as simple as that. Now you might need to take 1 or 2 tries just to get it right. It helps if you're tall. I'm about 5'11", so I'm not massively tall, but it does its trick. And it is that simple. Hopefully you like this. If you do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and respond to you with any questions you may have. But please do jump over and look at some of my other videos. At the end of this video, there will be a couple of videos that I will actually recommend that you actually go and have a look at. In the meantime, if you do like it as well, please do subscribe to the channel, because it really does help me actually continue to give this free tutorial talk to yourself. Until then, stay safe, keep shooting, take care, bye bye.